Hi, welcome to LB0 Fox India Norwegian Adventures. And if you saw my 5 goals for 2024, you probably noticed that 2 of my goals were, first of all, be more proficient in kit building, and secondly, learn CW. And this is a device that it's at least helped me with one of those 2 thus far, and that is get more proficient in kit building. You can get the MORSERINOs as kits. There's a link to the website down below. And I'm not really sure if these are made anymore or anything. I got mine from another ham. But I didn't film it because I thought it was a real complicated build. Turned out that there's a couple of 3.5mm jack connectors that needs to be soldered on. Some potentiometers, a knob and a button. And then the ESP32 here. That's pretty much all you do. You've seen my kit building videos. I managed to build this MORSERINO in 35 minutes. Secondly, I'm hoping that this will actually help me learn CW, but let's take a look at the device first. This is powered by a Haltech ESP32 board here, which has both LoRa, 433 MHz LoRa, and it has Wi-Fi. And the LoRa is actually of some relevance. You can see the antenna here. Because if another MORSERINO user is within LoRa range, you can actually do CW via LoRa back and forth with it. And LoRa is also something I'm going to dive more into during the coming year. Besides that, you got the ESP32, which helps you through learning CW. You get a speaker. You got connectors for headphones, speakers. You can use this as a paddle. I haven't dived too far into it yet, but I just wanted to show this off. So how about we turn it on and take a look at how it works and see if I can actually learn some CW by doing this. And there's also one more thing that I'm going to show you first, because you can actually power this with 3.7 volt LiPo battery. There's a connector here for it, a Molex connector. I don't have a battery for it, so I'm just running USB power to power it at the moment. And then I'll see what I do if I either make an 18650 adapter for it, or if I buy one of those radio controlled car batteries. We'll see how I solve that after a little while. Let's just position this so the light is better. Let's turn it on and have a look. So it starts up here, and you have different modes. You can, I'm actually going to go all the way out because it remembers where you were the last time you used it. So you have Echo Trainer, you have Cock Trainer, Transceiver mode, where you can use either Wi-Fi or LoRa to communicate with another MORSERINO. You have a CW decoder mode. Wi-Fi setup, sleep, you can use it as a CW keyer, as a CW generator. I've tried that. It generates random words and sentences, actually. But let's try the Cock Trainer here. And let's select a lesson here. Let's just pick a letter I haven't done before. So let's pick P. And as you can see here on the display, it shows you pretty much what to do. So let's do a couple of rounds with P, and then I'll draw a conclusion here. And I'm just going to go out there. As you can see, it gives you some feedback if you do it right or wrong. And this will be helpful in my CW journey. And in addition to this, I'm trying a couple of different CW apps just to be better at listening and reading code. So if any of you guys have any tips for apps that can help me during my daily commute back and forth to work, let me know down in the comments. Also, hit that like button. Those 2 things help the YouTube algorithm promote my channel. Besides that, I'd really like to thank my patrons, my YouTube members, my supporters on Buy Me a Coffee, and all of you viewers. And if you would like to support the channel a little bit financially. And if you're able to do that, there are a couple of links down below. And I think that's it for now. I just wanted to show off this really cool little device. There's only one more thing though. How big is it really? And let's get the universal size measurement for ham radio out. It's a little bit bigger than a Baofeng. And that's it for now. I'm Morten, LB0 Fox India. You're watching LB0 Fox India Norwegian Ham Ventures. And until next time, my friends, 7-3.